Hi, today's word was inspired by a conversation I overheard in a cafe recently, where I heard someone describe James Bond and the James Bond character as having mad riz. So it was a group of young lads who were talking about movies, and they were kind of jealous of his riz and how much riz Bond has. One phrase that I remember being used was that, yeah, Bond, he's got mad riz. So RIZZ is this term that's relatively new. It's appeared in the last couple of years, and it's appeared online, and it's a word that you tend to associate with youth culture and young people. And it basically means charisma, charm, and magnetism. So, James Bond, he's very charismatic, he's charming, he's a charmer, he's got Riz, he's got mad Riz. His Riz game is off the scale.